Hey everyone, here we are on vacation in beautiful Chippewa flowage. It's really been a great trip with a lot of fish, but one of the really fun things about this is all the different islands around the flowage that we were able to stop at and, you know, maybe have some lunch or take a break for the day, or let our dog swim. One of the great things about having the dig and anchors is the ability to just slide them in and have worry-free boat anchoring while we're here, so we can sit and take that break and have that lunch and relax. But the other great thing is that when you go to leave, it really is just as easy as taking them out. We do have the 12-foot poles, so I know that they're a little bit long for the job, but again, a very worry-free and easy system. Another big goal of being out here, though, is especially when you stop on these islands and stop in these places, to leave no trace. So if you are having lunch, to make sure that you're cleaning up your garbage, not leaving things behind, and maybe you do find things and maybe even take them with you, that would be very kind. But even with the dig and anchor system, it's a great way, again, to leave no trace. You're not tying up to a tree and leaving a mark. You're not leaving an anchor drag spot or anything like that. So the beauty that we were able to come and find here, you can again leave for the next people to come and experience. So here we go. Pull it right out. It's just that easy. I'm going to be able to use this to push ourselves out just a little bit. It's not in the manual, so don't tell anybody I did that. But a very easy to use, great practical system. See you out on the water catching fish.